My name is Varun. I was at Excel like 4 years ago, and I took the SAT course and then the SAT physics course. Exam, SAT I got 2300, and then the physics I got 800. At UCLA in my 4th year, studying materials engineering. After this, I'm going to get my master's, and then I'll probably work in electronics, probably at Intel, NVIDIA, companies like that. Coupon site. I just put the code up there like 4 years ago, and then this kept coming in, and then now there's like 54 apparently. A couple, Retail Me Not, Groupon, pretty much the major ones that are like listed on the website to suggest to put them up there. Excel's a pretty good program, especially their exam club. Helped a lot for my SAT and the physics test. And then for the referrals, like just put them up and you'll probably get some money out of it.